The haunted apartment. Anna moved into her new apartment on a sunny Saturday morning. She was excited to live alone for the first time. The apartment was old but charming, with high ceilings and large windows. It was also surprisingly cheap. The landlord, Mr. Chen, gave her the keys quickly and didn't ask many questions. The first week was perfect. Anna enjoyed decorating her new home. She hung pictures on the walls and placed her favorite books on the shelves. But on the 8th night, things changed. It started with soft footsteps in the hallway late at night. Anna thought it was just the old building settling. Then, she noticed small things moving. A pen she left on the table would be on the floor in the morning. A book she was reading would be open to a different page. One evening, Anna was cooking dinner when she heard a faint whisper from the living room. "Hello," she called out. No answer. She shook her head, thinking she was just tired. The next day, she met her neighbor, Mrs. Li, an elderly woman who lived across the hall. "How do you like the apartment?" Mrs. Li asked kindly. "It's nice," Anna said, "but sometimes I hear strange noises at night." Mrs. Li's smile faded. "Oh, that apartment, it has a history. The previous tenant, a young writer named Leo, disappeared suddenly 6 months ago. No one knows what happened to him. Some say he's still there." Anna felt a chill. She decided to investigate. She searched online and found an old news article about Leo's disappearance. The article mentioned that Leo was writing a novel about hidden treasures in the city. That night, Anna couldn't sleep. She heard the footsteps again, louder this time. Then, she saw a shadow moving under her bedroom door. Her heart raced. She gathered her courage and slowly opened the door. The living room was empty, but on the coffee table, a notebook lay open. It wasn't hers. The handwriting was messy, and the pages were filled with maps and notes about historical sites in the city. One page was torn, but she could read, "The secret is in the walls." Anna remembered Leo's novel. Could this be his notebook? How did it get here? The next morning, she examined the walls carefully. In the bedroom, behind a large painting, she found a small, hidden compartment. Inside was a key and a folded letter. The letter was from Leo to his sister. It said, "If you're reading this, I might be in danger. I discovered that Mr. Chen, the landlord, is involved in illegal activities. He uses this apartment to hide stolen artifacts. I've hidden evidence in the floorboards of the living room. The key opens a storage unit where I kept my research." Anna's hands trembled. She realized the ghost wasn't trying to scare her, it was trying to communicate. Leo needed help. She rushed to the living room and lifted the rug. One of the floorboards was loose. Under it, she found a USB drive and a list of names and dates. It was proof that Mr. Chen was selling valuable stolen items. Suddenly, she heard a key turning in the front door. It was Mr. Chen. He walked in, his face angry. "I knew you would find something," he said. "You're too curious, just like Leo." Anna backed away. "What did you do to Leo?" Mr. Chen laughed. "He was going to expose me. So, I made him disappear. Now, give me what you found." Just then, the lights flickered violently. A cold wind swept through the room, and the temperature dropped. Mr. Chen looked around, scared. "What's happening?" A transparent figure appeared near the window. It was Leo. He pointed at Mr. Chen, his eyes full of anger. "No. It can't be," Mr. Chen shouted. Anna took her chance. She grabbed her phone and called the police. Within minutes, officers arrived and arrested Mr. Chen. After everything calmed down, Anna felt a warm presence in the room. She knew Leo was finally at peace. She gave the evidence to the police, and they discovered Mr. Chen's entire operation. A few days later, a woman visited Anna. She introduced herself as Maya, Leo's sister. "Thank you for helping my brother," she said with tears in her eyes. "He always loved this apartment. I think he wanted someone like you to live here." Anna decided to stay in the apartment. The strange noises stopped, and the air felt lighter. Sometimes, she would feel a gentle breeze or see a shadow smile, but she was no longer afraid. She knew Leo was watching over her, a friendly spirit in her new home. One evening, as she read a book, she noticed a new message written in the dust on the table: "Thank you, Anna." She smiled, feeling grateful for her unusual but special home.